we run again. Phone face down on the table, but I still check it